Hey, good afternoon, everybody. My name is God. You are from Healing Nature. Detox, detox, detox. Look, I can't say it enough. Detox, detox, detox. Every day we should be detoxing a different part of our body, whether it be our respiratory system, whether it be our digestive system, whether it be our lymphatic system, whether we're trying to detox our blood, our kidney, liver, pancreas, spleen, gallbladder, glandular system. Every day we should be trying to detox a different part of our body. Look, these are strange times. These are strange times. The human body is under attack. War has been waged on everybody's physical body. Now, what we're doing is we're intentionally going in and taking acid-forming foods and bringing those acid-forming foods into our body. We're intentionally saying, give me that death, and consuming that death. You know what I mean? With our own consent, we're poisoning ourselves. What's the science behind acid? Acid burns. Acid corrodes, whether it be the blood, whether it be a lymphatic system, whether it be a digestive system. Acid is designed to burn. You want your body to be more alkaline than acidic. Granted, now there are certain systems of the body that are slightly acidic. That's okay. But for the most part, you want to be alkaline in nature, in your body. See, in an acidic environment, you're going to find an overproduction of bacteria, an overproduction of virus. In an acidic environment in the body, you're going to have an overproduction of mucus, which is in a response to the acid levels of the body. See, mucus its job is to keep acid in check. And the more mucus got to call out the reinforcements, you get an overproduction of that mucus, which is not good in the body. Acid is the enemy. Acid has always been the enemy, and acid in the body, acid-forming foods, will always be the enemy. Can't get away with that. In actuality, without getting too deep, it's real simple. The body really only needs simple sugars. Simple sugars from fruit. The body really only needs minerals to be at its best. You know, so we got to detox. We get rid of those harmful toxins from the body because it clouds our judgment. It gives us premature death, disease. Disease and death is big business. Disease and death are big business. Everybody knows that. You know what I mean? And I've said this before, and I'll say it again. You're going to be older a lot longer than you're going to be younger. In fact, I just had a customer walk in here, and I said, would you rather fight this fight now or fight this fight when you're 60, 70, 80 years old, when you're not so resilient? You're going to have to get healthy sooner or later. There's just no way around it. You're going to have to get healthy sooner or later. You're going to have to detox sooner or later. You're going to have to. You know? Plus, you want to give yourself and give your body time to fight. Body needs time to heal itself. Sometimes we gotta just stop eating. Stop. Sometimes we gotta listen to our body and just stop eating. I'll tell you a quick story. About 5, 6 years ago, I was really, really sick, deathly sick. I didn't think I was gonna make it. And at the other end of that sickness, when I came out of it, my body didn't want any food. My body did not want to eat. And I listened to my body. What was happening during that process, my body was purging. It was cleaning out the organs, cleaning out the cells, cleaning out the blood supply. My body was actually repairing itself to the point where I didn't want those things anymore, those harmful acidic foods and those harmful chemicals that I kept bombarding it with. So sometimes we just got to stop eating, listen to our body. And then what we do is begin to replace the foods that we're eating with alkaline foods, with fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, fresh water. Listen, you're going to deal with this either now or you're going to deal with this 5, 10, 15, 20 years from now. So in essence, what we're talking about is a quality of life. When you're struggling every day with your health and you're struggling every day just to breathe or just to sit up or just to walk, that's not a good quality of life. When you can't watch your kids play in a warmer sun, or your grandkids, or you're just hurting every day and your body's going through it, you're gonna have to repair yourself sooner or later. My name is God Jawar once again. This is Healing Nature. We are here to help. Again, our motto is to heal the world one person at a time. Anything for your detoxing needs, anything, even if you just want conversation on how to improve your health and wellness, we are here for you.